Elevate your space with Ambient Mode. This feature is only available on the 2019 QLED TVs. Press the Ambient Mode button to enter Ambient Mode. You can view a tutorial by pressing the right button on your remote. Then select Start Ambient Mode Now. Use the directional pad on your remote to choose between different categories, like Special Edition, Decor, My Album, and more. Once you've found a category that piques your interest, select it. Scroll through the images and choose one you like by either using the Select button on your remote, or you can press the Up button to view a brief description. From here, press Select to download the image. To further customize your wallpaper, press the Down button. You can change background, shadow effects, brightness, and more. Press the Return button to exit the menu. To make another selection, just press the Return or Ambient Mode button. Press the Home button to return to TV mode. When the TV is turned off, you can simply press the Ambient Mode button to turn your TV on in Ambient Mode. Decorate your living space to suit your lifestyle.